And we're back to our hit show, The Secrets to a Spotless Home. Listen carefully if you want to keep your floors looking fresh and new. First, always keep an eye out for new messes. Second, make sure you have all hands on deck to wipe up messes as they happen. That's right, all hands on deck. Got all that? Third, make sure you have all of your cleaning supplies ready to go at a moment's notice. Brace yourself, you'll need a lot. Fourth, create a rigorous cleaning schedule and stick to it. And finally, when everything is clean and, never mind, maybe it's time for a commercial break? And we're back. Fifth, make sure to get into every nook and cranny of your home, no matter how small. Last but not least, do not leave anything on the floor, otherwise it will make cleaning up an even bigger hassle. Got all that? Just follow these simple rules and you'll be on your way to a cleaner home in no time.